So see this problem, it's a problem with one current source and one voltage source. Okay, so see the question, calculate the current across 3 ohm resistor in the circuit using superposition theorem. Also calculate the power across 3 ohm resistor. Okay, so according to superposition theorem, if it is a current source means you want to open circuit, and if it is a voltage source means short circuit, and you want to find the response across each element. So first நம்ம I1 ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். லாஸ்ட் என்ன பண்ணணும், total I is equal to I1 plus I2 find பண்ணணும். So first in order to find I1, you are open circuit the first this current source and keeping this voltage source as it is. If it is open circuit means, when it is open circuit means அதுக்கு சீரிஸாக இருக்க ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸுக்கு வேல்யூ இருக்காது. ஓகே, what about the value? அந்த வேல்யூ வந்து இன்ஃபினிட்டி ஆயிரும் அந்த ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ். இதே இது ஷார்ட் சர்க்கியூட்டாக இருந்தாலும் அதுக்கு பேரலாக இருக்க ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸுக்கு வேல்யூ இல்லை. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் வேல்யூ இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு 0. ஒன்லி யூ ஹேவ் திஸ் லூப். Then what about the current? I1 is equal to V by R. That is V is 10 by 10 plus 13. The answer is 0.769 ampere. Next step 2. You want to find the current I2. So for that you are short circuiting this 10 volt and keeping this current 5 ampere. Okay, so either you can apply the current division rule here, or you can apply the loop also here. Loop apply நீங்க பண்ணிக்கலாம். So if you apply the loop, so you are taking this current as I1 and this current as I2. Then what about the equation here? First 10 I1, okay, plus 3 into I1 minus I2 equal to 0. Then here what about the equation? 3 I2 minus I1 plus 10 what is the value? So see here, in this loop, what is the current? Because here the current source, loop la current same da. So in the loop, I2 current value namakku enadu. What about the I2 current? I2 is equal to 5 ampere. So you can easily substitute here. So what is the answer? 10 I1 plus 3 I1 minus 3 into 5 is equal to 0. That is 15. So 13 I1. Okay, so the value was 13 I1 which is equal to 15. So what is the answer? I1 is equal to 15 by 13. I1 is equal to 15 divided by 13. So the answer is 1. So you got the answer 15 divided by 13. What is the answer? I1 equal to 15 divided by 13. Okay, so the answer is 15 divided by 13 is 1.15 ampere. So namakku enna theva? The current flowing across this resistor. What is the current flowing across this resistor? I1 minus I2 or I2 minus I1. So 1.15 minus what is I2? 5 ampere. So 5, what is the answer? 3.846 in the answer கிடைச்சிருக்கு. Okay, 3 point. இப்படி loop வச்சு form any answer find பண்ணிக்கலாம். Otherwise you can use the current division rule. Okay, you want to find the current across this resistor I2. So here what is the total current? 5. Okay, and what is the opposite current? 10 divided by the total resistor value 10 plus 3 13 is here 3.846 கிடைச்சிருக்கு. Either you can use the current division rule or you can use this loop method. Okay, loop method na idhula flow agra current 5 ampere nu vechi loop method la find panikalam. Loop method find panna I1 minus I2 current find panna marandirukka. So now we got I1 value is 0.769 and I2 value is this 3.846. Okay, 3.846. So now you want to add these two value. If you add these two value, you got the answer as 4.615. நமக்கு என்ன ஆன்சர் கிடைச்சிருக்கு? 4.615 கிடைச்சிருக்கு. Okay, so next they have asked to find power dissipated across 3 ohm resistor. So what is the formula? I squared R. So in the 3 ohm resistor, அப்போ I value find பண்ணியாச்சு, multiply பண்ணி 3 multiply பண்ணும்போது what is the answer? 63.89 watt. Okay, so you have one doubt. See, in loop method we got the value minus 3.846 and inga plus irukku appadana. So appadi minus varudana enna arthona? See, listen, I said you what is the current flowing across 3 ohm resistor? I1 minus I2. So listen, the value of I2 is, I2 ku value enna, I2 eppadi flow agudhu appadana? Naanga irukka current upward la flow agudhu. So the value of I2 ku value enna minus 5 ampere. Okay, the value of I2 is minus 5 ampere. So நம்ம இதிலே minus 5 ampere போட்டோம்னா நம்ம கரெக்டாக பாசிட்டிவ்ல ஆன்சர் கிடச்சிடும். இல்லைனா ஃபைனலில் நீங்கள் I2 equal to minus 5 ampere போடலாம். Can you understand? So don't be confused. Use any one of the method. You must see the direction. லூப்லனா அந்த டைரக்ஷன் கரெக்டாக பார்த்து போட்டுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, டைரக்ஷன் போடும்போது இந்த I2 equal to இங்கே minus 5 ampere போடும்போது உங்களுக்கு பாசிட்டிவ்ல ஆன்சர் வந்துடும். Okay, can you understand? Or use current division rule, because two resistor to current source இருந்தாலும் நம்ம current division rule வந்து apply பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay, so use current division rule and find it. Thank you.